Welcome back to the Hammersmith DIY channel. My name's Whitecroft, the owner of Hammersmith, and today's Workshed video, we're going to be talking to you about this round tapered leg. So this particular leg that you see here, we manufacture for a furniture business in Melbourne, and they came to us and said, look, we want a round tapered leg for a particular range of furniture we're manufacturing. Here are the specifications. There was a length they were chasing, obviously, and it had to taper from a certain size down to a size here. So pretty much what we did was we drew the leg up for them, sent it back, made sure they signed off on it so they're happy with what they're doing. Obviously we agreed to a price and started making the leg for them. So what we're going to see in the videos following is the process we use to make this particular leg. Now this particular leg, we've got a number of different lathes in the factory we can do it on. This one we're running on a new lathe we have called an INTOREX machine. It's a CNC machine where we draw the leg up in a CAD-based program and it's all computer controlled. So let's cut to the video and see the product being made. Hopefully you enjoyed that video of this particular leg being produced. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so that you're notified when new content lands. And finally, remember to hit the like button. This is White Groth signing off.